How to fix Outlook can't delete email messages. So here I am in the Outlook application. So typically, when you want to delete an email, you should be able to just hover on the email and then click the delete button right here, and then it should be deleted successfully. But recently, you may experience the bug where even if you click the delete button, nothing happens. So from here, we can use the repair feature of Microsoft for that, so that it will fix that problem. So to use the repair feature, we just need to go to search and then we need to type in the control panel. From here, click the control panel and then let's go right here to programs and features. From here in the search bar, type in Microsoft. Then you should be able to see this. It's either you have the Microsoft 365 or the Microsoft 365 apps for business. So the difference is that usually this is used if you are using a personal account, and then this one, for the other one, it's using a Microsoft business account. So you can choose the application right here depending on what you are using. And then from here, what we need to do is that we just need to click change. So here, click change, click yes, and then we now have the repair feature. So we have two options right here. We have the quick repair, and then we have the online repair. So usually I prefer using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without an internet connection. So you can go ahead and try this out first and see if it will fix your Outlook application and then if your delete button is now working. So if it's still not working, now you can use online repair. So here in the online repair, it will fix all issues, but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So you can select this option if you are still having problems after quick repair. So from here, choose the option that you want and then click the repair button. Keep in mind that when you click the repair button, it will take a little while for the repair feature to finish. So it will take like a couple of minutes and then you just need to wait for it. After that, after the repair feature is done, now you can try opening Outlook again and then the problem should now be fixed. So you can just simply use the repair feature right here. And then that's it. That is how we can fix the Outlook error where we can't delete email messages. So I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.